Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Roshain More Reviews. Today we're at Millennium Mall in Mineralites, Maypen, Clarendon. Just taking a quick update on the mall. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Remember to like, comment and share. So Millennium Mall. Alright, so the mall is now open but still not fully occupied. So we're just gonna take a quick look inside to see what's inside so far. Alright guys, so two of the first places open so far is Devon House Ice Cream and SSMC Express International. That's a shipping company. So most of the mall is empty so far. Very big mall. So I'm gonna try to show you guys a few glimpses.
Need to bring the sandwich over here.
And this is the food court section.
We have a few available shops on this side.
Okay.
Right along.
Alright guys, so that's it, the Millennium Mall. Most shops are still not yet set up, so it's pretty empty right now. The only two tenants so far is the shipping company and Devon House, but KFC is to come, Popeyes to come, and a hardware, pharmacy, supermarket, a bank, all those places are to come. So I'll give you guys another update when more tenants are in. But right now it's basically empty. I was able to talk to one of the caretaker and he was able to show me around a bit. Wasn't able to get, you know, a lot of photos, but I still got some photos for you guys. We passed the food court. They have a proposed cinema. They have a lot of shops inside as well. So yeah, we'll definitely give you guys another update. Alright, so that building we're looking at the far end, I think that is Popeyes that they are setting up right now. So that's gonna be Popeyes. It's currently being set up, but again, most places are still unoccupied. So guys, thanks for watching. Definitely leave your comment in terms of what you think about the mall, in terms of what you think should be done, and definitely subscribe if you're new and like and share the video. So thanks again for watching guys.